Today I want to share with you the words of Cai Gen Tan on the gate of mouth and heart. Keeping your mouth shut preserves true hunger within. Filling your heart's content. Loose prevention invites evil. Walking into the wrong path. This saying means that your mouth is the gateway to your heart. If you can't control your mouth, you'll leak many secrets. Intentions are the legs of your heart. If you're not careful enough, you'll walk the wrong path. Interactions between people are subtle. Sometimes, you can become one with each other, and other times, a small matter can lead to intense conflict. So, when dealing with relationships, always keep a wary eye, protect your privacy, and don't reveal everything just because your relationship is good. Revealing too much could make the other person your biggest threat if the relationship changes, as they'll know all about you. It's important to have defenses, even against those you trust. After all, even the best of friends should maintain some boundaries to avoid future complications. The following things, even if you have a great relationship with someone, don't tell others about them. Once you reveal them, you may easily invite trouble. Your heart's little secrets. Throughout life, things won't always go smoothly. We all have our unique perspectives and our own exclusive secrets, perhaps past failed relationships, or things that once embarrassed us. These are personal and private matters. Many nights, we might struggle with whether to share them, but if we can't control our emotions and end up revealing a little secret, we often wake up regretting it. So, it's important to keep our little secrets to ourselves. Not all sincerity can be reciprocated, so it's better to keep a tight rein on our mouths and guard our secrets closely. It's the most prudent approach. Your family matters. Every family faces challenges, but these issues should stay within the family. Discuss and resolve them within the family circle. There's really no need to share them outside, as others may not understand, and it could easily lead to embarrassment. Your family's privacy needs to be protected, and airing dirty laundry in public serves no purpose. Regardless of who's right or wrong within the family, outsiders won't care much. They'll likely just see it as gossip. So, why bother inviting trouble by disclosing family matters? Your financial situation. There's an old saying that talking about money damages relationships. Nowadays, it's often the other way around. Relationships damage finances. Money is a sensitive topic, and clarity is crucial, especially among family members. Lending money within families can lead to strained relationships if not handled properly. Revealing your financial status can invite trouble, as seen in many instances where people exploit such information for their gain. It's wise to keep your financial situation private to avoid unwanted attention, judgment, or even potential exploitation. Your regrets. There's no magic pill for regrets. Everyone has regrets to some extent, and some stick with us for a lifetime, like unhealed wounds that ache with every touch, reminding us of past pain. While some might attempt to bury them deep within, there are times when we can't resist sharing them, hoping to alleviate some pressure and anguish. However, the outcome often disappoints us. As Lucien said, "Below my window, someone is gravely ill, while next door, a family is playing their gramophone. Across the street, children are playing, and upstairs, two people are laughing loudly while playing cards. On a boat in the river, a woman cries for her deceased mother. The joy and sorrow of humanity are not shared. All we perceive is noise. There's seldom genuine empathy. Your experiences, to others, might just be fodder for conversation, rather than something deeply felt. It's better to digest your regrets on your own, turning them into a source of strength. Enduring hardship is a scar, but also a badge of honor. Embrace your struggles, reflect, and heal slowly to emerge stronger. Your aspirations. Psychologists once conducted a study that found if someone boasts about their aspirations, there's an 80% chance they won't achieve them. Xu Zhuangwang, in ancient times, stunned the world after 3 years of obscurity. He never publicly announced his aspirations, but quietly accumulated strength. Humans are highly suggestible, both by others and themselves. When you openly declare your aspirations, your brain tricks you into thinking you've already achieved them, reducing your drive to strive further. Hence, the saying in Cai Gen Tan, keep your aspirations hidden. Don't let others know. By keeping them to yourself, you increase the probability of realizing them. On one hand, revealing your dreams might lead to ridicule or unnecessary meddling. On the other, harboring your aspirations privately fuels your determination. Your flaws and shortcomings. Nobody's perfect. Each person has flaws and weaknesses, but it's crucial not to expose them. Once someone exploits them, they can attack you at your weakest point, causing significant damage. It's better to acknowledge your flaws privately, work on improving where possible, and accept what you cannot change. There's no need to constantly expose your weaknesses, as doing so only provides ammunition for others to use against you. Remember, keeping some guard up is necessary, even in the best of relationships. Revealing too much about your vulnerabilities might backfire, leaving you vulnerable to exploitation or manipulation. Your true thoughts about those around you. Never reveal your true thoughts in front of others. This is crucial. It could be your opinion on a matter or your subjective impression of someone. Even if you've thought it over 1,000,000 times, refrain from expressing it publicly. This is vital. In a moment of excitement or thoughtlessness, you might unintentionally reveal your intentions, making yourself vulnerable to manipulation or rumors. It's essential to be cautious. Even the best relationships might sour if you inadvertently disclose your innermost thoughts. Remember, what you keep to yourself won't be twisted or used against you. Many people talk negatively behind others' backs, but when they're together, they won't speak ill of their own parents because they love and respect them. Likewise, if someone values your friendship, they'll safeguard your secrets, knowing your importance in their life. In conclusion, thank you for your attention. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe to the Buddha Zen channel. We look forward to your comments and shares. Here!